Hello farmers. Welcome to episode 3 on early pig care. If you didn't watch the previous episode, the link to the video is in the description below. Sorting on arrival. On arrival, it is recommended to remove the smallest 5% of the piglets and place them near the center of the barn/room. This area will give the best chance of having a warm draft-free area. Double phase 1 diet these small pigs. It is extremely important to get these pigs started correctly in order for them to make full value market pigs. The remaining 95% of the pigs should not be sorted by size. These pigs should be penned by delivery, but not by size. Penning pigs by delivery will ensure that all pigs receive the proper amount of the phase 1 feed. Various sizes of pigs will have no adverse effect and will also allow equal amounts of pigs to be removed from each pen when the first cut is taken out at marketing. Sourcing. Filling a barn with pigs from a single source is recommended. Single-sourced pigs typically perform better than multi-sourced pigs. If due to system constraints multi-sourcing barns is unavoidable, take efforts to group pigs of similar health status. Design the system with enough flexibility that if a source farm's health status should change, then it can be flowed separately. Otherwise, the one source farm will compromise all pigs in the flow. Creep area. Zone heating should be adequate to provide a temperature that makes pigs feel comfortable and make them to look for the feed. In general, try to emulate the temperature that the piglets had in the last 3 to 4 days in farrowing, and to do that get in contact with the sow farm personnel to act in coordination. As a rule of thumb, temperature at receiving should be 21 degrees Celsius. In the cases, pigs are exposed to higher temperatures, which depress appetite and daily feed intake. Pigs should be provided with 0.05 square meters per head of mat space for a creep area. Mats should be placed in the area of the pen that pigs prefer to lie under the heat source. Mats should be removed when pigs no longer use them or pigs begin using the mat as a dunging area, typically 1 or 2 weeks post-placement. Mats must be thoroughly washed, disinfected, and dried prior placement of every group of newly arrived piglets. That's all that we have for you today. See you on the future videos. That's all that we have for you today. For more future videos, kindly click the subscribe button. You can also click the links on the description below to visit our website and to watch other farming videos. Thank you for watching.